Hello, welcome to How to Grow Violas from Seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. I bought mine from a local garden store. On the reverse of the packet is usually shown the growing times and growing conditions for your region. Step 2. Fill a propagator tray with compost. A propagator tray is a shallow plastic tray with a transparent lid that is ideal for propagating seeds. Fill the tray to within 1/4 inch of the lid, press down the compost to remove any air pockets, and then give the compost a good watering. Step 3. Place the seeds on top of the compost. The seeds are quite fine, so try to sprinkle them across the surface of the compost as evenly as possible. Step 4. Cover the seeds with a fine layer of compost, then press it down to remove any air pockets. Finally, fit a label. Step 5. Fit the transparent plastic lid and keep the propagator tray in a place that's around about 15 to 20 degrees C. The seeds will germinate within 14 to 28 days. At that point, remove the transparent plastic lid and then let the seeds grow on. Keep warm and watered. Step 6. When the plants have at least 2 sets of leaves, it's time to transplant them into pots. First, fill a pot full of compost. Then give the compost a good watering and make a hole in the centre with a stick or using your finger. Next, give the plants a good watering before transplanting them. Hold the plant by its leaves and not the stem, and try to remove as much root as possible without damaging it. Place the root in the hole in the compost and then gently press the compost around the root, but not too hard. Finally, water the compost. This washes the compost into any air pockets around the roots. Step 7. When the plants are about 2 inches tall, it's time to plant them outside. First, give them a good watering. Dig your soil, remove any weeds, any loose objects and any large stones. Now make a small hole using a garden trowel. Now carefully remove the plant from its pot, being careful not to damage the stem. Then place in the hole in the ground and cover the roots with soil. Finally, give the plant a good watering to water it into position. Step 8. Keep watered and weed free, and within a short period of time flowers will begin to appear. The variety I planted were a mixed type and gave me a wonderful array of different coloured flowers. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my gardening website. Thank you and goodbye.